Today,
give a history. This is Adria's couch.
March 21st, 2009, vernal equinox. This couch, pan to the couch, was Mark and Adria Harold's couch when I first met them. And when I came out to Houston and was working projects on a temporary basis, I lived on this couch at their house. They gave me the couch.
Were conceived on that couch.
Some of the children were conceived on this couch.
And several trial conceivements were.
Well, I personally have christened this couch. So, Adria and Mark got some new furniture many Christmases ago.
That doesn't sound right.
They lived next door at the time. They gave me this couch. It sat in my big bedroom forever and a day. I received a futon that I wanted to replace it with, so Camille decided she needed this couch for the living room to view TV on. They don't watch TV in this room. They don't use this room for anything. This has become Pancho's dog bed. So after 2 years of Pancho's dog bed, it stinks and it's no longer useful. Dad has acquired some exercise equipment. Here's one piece, another piece on the porch, more pieces to come. So this is going to be his exercise boutique. So today, we are going to deconstruct the couch.
It's going to be a gym, not an exercise boutique. You think I'm gay?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's going to be a
my queer father.
All right.
So today we're deconstructing the couch.
All right, Greg is pulling the couch over all by himself because Jenny's not in the picture.
Jenny's not in the picture.
All right. That's a good direction because you can cut the back off and you can also see the... Oh, shit!
This is going on the video.
Take that camera from now.
What?
Oh, shit!
I'm wet now.
You're wet now. Greg, is that what my mom said last night?
Yes.
Any money or lost jewelry found on the couch is mine?
No, we have it.
We have it?
I have it.
You have it? Did you have it stroked, Dad?
We'll cut it in half.
Alright.
Well, now, if you cut it in half, can you get it out past the table?
Well, I'm going to cut it more.
I've never seen cotton get caught in a chainsaw like that before.
I don't think we've ever seen this before. I gotta tell you, with me holding this, the shake is beyond belief. Do you need some help?
Yeah, pull back on that side of the couch. Gotta get this around. There. Now see how that's wrapped up right there? Mm-hmm. We've got to get this and twist it around so it comes out.
Y'all are making a project out of something very simple.
You see what I'm talking about?
I'm saying just get the chainsaw and cut it out.
But it's untwisted around it. You see what I'm talking about?
Here?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
Well, we're still connected.
Y'all really don't know much about cutting up a couch.
Oh.
What happened? Oh, it's free.
Could have just flipped back and decapitated his toes.
It's free.
Now, is that small enough to get out the door?
Out.
Was.
Quit complaining.
Hey, I do not have a grip here. I'm gonna whine, poke an eye out. There's nothing to grab onto.
Sorry.
What is it? Because there's up in smaller pieces.
I think I had this thing turned off.
Oh, good.
All right.
How do you tell if it's recording?
There's a little red round dot at the top.
It's on. There's a red round dot. So what does that mean?
It should be on.
Okay. No, come. I didn't get that. Do that again.
And this is the remnants of the couch. Yep. And it will be burnt next weekend.